want to send out a thank you to Chris and Roy, and I don't know who else, probably somebody else came out and helped set up chairs. It's hard to know who all is involved in making these things happen, but it is a lot of work, and we appreciate you doing it so that we can have this cool event, right? Round of applause, please.
We used to be birds, navigating the night together. You come to me, I come to you. We used to be birds, calling out in the sky for each other. Now here we are and no one knows. We used to be birds. It's all there in the hinge of your hand and the way we turn. Did you ever wonder why you look to the sky to find me? I look for you too, and one day I knew we used to be birds. We used to be birds. You dance with me, I dance with you. We used to be birds. Hear the sweet little song to remind us. You say my name, I say your name. We used to be birds on a branch in the night, the lovers to find.